Broccoli isn't just any green veggie, it's a holistic health booster. Loaded with vitamins, broccoli is key to daily nutrition. These nutrients are vital for body maintenance. Broccoli fortifies your immune system. Prepare to tackle health challenges with ease. Guard your vision with broccoli. It promotes eye health with essential nutrients. Broccoli supports digestion with high fiber content. It's your gut's best friend. Supporting cardiovascular wellness, broccoli is heart-friendly. Keep your heart healthy naturally. Key compounds in broccoli help detoxify the body. Embrace a cleaner self. Fortified with calcium, broccoli aids bone strength, and essential for bone health. Support for healthy aging is here. Broccoli fuels longevity and vitality. Broccoli fuels brain health, enhancing cognition and memory. Stay sharp. Broccoli's compounds combat inflammation naturally. It's an anti-inflammatory ally. Broccoli adapts to various cuisines, a versatile addition to any meal. Fresh from sustainable farming, broccoli stands as a superfood for future generations. Unlock the health mystery of broccoli, a simple step to enrich your wellness journey. Join us to embrace broccoli in daily life. Challenge yourself to a healthier you.